So my Instagram post a while ago said Operation Finish Food Plots tonight was about to take place, and that so what I'm gonna do is finish these fields up over here on this is a place in Mississippi. Here's what this is. So we're gonna fire up the 5075E and we're about to go to town. And I'll take y'all along with me. We'll take y'all on down through here. Used to be a big old barn right there, and this kind of fell on in over the last 20 years or so. That's one of the fields I'm gonna get right there. We're gonna go on to the back, and we're gonna start in the back first. That used to be a power line down through there, and they come in here about 4 years ago or so, 4 or 5 years ago, and they took that power line down. Good gracious. Man, look at the water. I'm telling you, we've had some rain, and we're supposed to get a monsoon between tonight and tomorrow and Saturday. We're supposed to get some mega rain. That's an old house right there, just falling in. This place here is where I started learning the law. We clear cut this place back in the 80s. I couldn't even drive when we were over here in Mississippi. At that time, you could get your driver's license at 15. And we had we skid some of it with tractors. And we also let this down where you can see a little better. Then later on, Daddy bought a 550 Timberjack cable skidder. I think he went down in Florida and bought that thing. That's where he got it from. It had a Clark winch on it. You couldn't, I couldn't pull the cable out on it. It was so hard to pull out. I couldn't pull it out by myself. It's one of our concrete bridges right here over this creek. Let's see. They've been cutting some timber. We've cut up here on this place 5 or 6 times in the last 20 years, and all of this up here, we cut it down. We cut all the logs out of it. There wasn't no such thing as doing anything with the pulpwood, so you cut it down to a stump size, all this up here. And so what was left, the pulpwood, you know, grew on up, and that's what they're cutting now is what's mature now, pulpwood. But the problem is don't hit that stump. Let's see. I gotta watch this stump over here. I'm good. Get up this hill here. So that's what they're cutting now. So there's a loader right there. This pond dam right here fell back in the 70s. We had a massive rain, 78, 79, maybe 79. This whole pond dam busted. It got muskrats in it. And it was busted like that all the way up till year 2000, I believe, or either 2001. No, I'll take it back. It would have been 2002 because I had my New Holland tractor then. And Kevin and I came over here and brought our dozer. I had a Spectre Laser at that time. And I cut out over here and rolled dirt up on here and then rolled it across and built this dam. Kevin and I built this entire dam back with our 850. And you see it's still holding like it's supposed to, man. See, it had been busted so long that all of that had grew up in timber. So when we flooded that back out, of course it killed all that timber over there. And it's got good water in it right now. So we're gonna go on up through here. It'll take you right by our 437, our Tiger Cat 822H with a 622B Warthog head on it. And then our 726 Tiger Cat is over here also. And we got two scooters over here. Both of them are John Deere 748s. One's a 748 G2 that we bought new in '99. And the other one's a G3. We bought it used. 2006 or 7, something like that. That's the field I'm going after over there. I just got to go around through here to get over there too, and I'm not going across that cutover right there. That ain't happening. We bought that 437 used too. It's a good machine. If you like a trailer mounted loader. There's the two 748s. That's the G2 '99 model. There's the G3. And when we clear cut, well, we didn't clear cut it. We almost clear cut it. These pines right here that were left, you know, they were about that big around then. You can see them now. They're a lot bigger now. I have killed a lot of deer up here over the years. I mean, a lot of deer. Kevin and I were right over there one day. Well, no, we were right up here. We were pushing some lanes on this field, and it was during the fall, and I got off the dozer and we were talking. I kicked it. We were standing by an old rotten stump, and I kicked that stump. There was a yellow jacket's nest in it. Neither one of us knew it. Man, they tore him up. They got stung like 7 or 8 times, and I didn't get stung once. Man, I ran through every freaking bush I could get through because they had swarmed me and him both. And I mean, I wore out some bushes trying to get them things off of him, but I never got stung. But boy, they smoked him, man. This is that field right here. I'm about to get her. So y'all check this out. This hadn't even been bush hogged. And look at what that disc is doing. Who needs a bush hog, man? I mean, that thing will walk the dog and kick the cat. Come on back. Man, I mean, look at that. Killing it, boy. I'm gonna put this camera up. I'll film some more in a little bit, but it's gonna get dark on me here in a second. I really ain't got time to deal with the camera. I gotta get this done. Oh look, there's my dad in a log truck coming to get a load. He come got a load off of me a while ago, and he's gonna come over here and load a load. See him up there? Oh man. That's funny. But I didn't get the disc down, so he's parked over at the loader now. He's setting up. He'll hop out. He'll get the load in here in just a second. Load that truck, man. You may not be able to see it, but he's loading. Putting the wood on the trailer. Attempt to get by this truck right here while he's loading. I should have done. I should have done this right here. Okay. I go another way. That's what I do. I just turn around. There's no way to get down through there. There's another road over there. I'll go down it. Get back to the pond dam over there at a Breen Park. I gotta get me some more lights on this tractor. I just ain't had time to do it. we're gonna get this field right here. Yeah. Notice I said we. Y'all gonna go along with me. In case the boogeyman jumps out to get me, y'all get my back, all right? Well, got her done, man. Derek is over there playing. I'm not sure if Kevin's over there with him coming behind me or not, but I'm loaded back up. You see the chain on it there behind her. And I'm about to head to the house here. That's just how we roll, man. We get it done. Derek got everything planted over there tonight too, and I got back home, got unloaded. I brought a bunch of wood home today for the chainsaw class coming up. This coming up next Saturday, November the 2nd. If you're thinking about it or anything like that, come on, sign up for it. Go to my website. There's a link down below to check it out. We're gonna play with chainsaws all day. Skill level does not matter. If you've never even messed with a chainsaw before in your life and you want to join, you can. If you're a female wanting to try a chainsaw too, come on. Also, I've got saws from small to large, even electric saws too, and we're gonna play with all of them. That's what we're gonna do, and you know, you really don't have to bring anything except for yourself, you know. And I pretty much got about everything here that you would need. I guess probably the only thing would be that you might want of your own, might be some safety glasses or something like that. But I even have those here too. So just come on, it'll be fun. Like I said, just check it out on the website. So I'll start preparing for that. They're talking about us getting mega rain over the next couple days. It's supposed to start. This is Thursday night when I'm filming this right now, and it's supposed to start in the middle of the night, about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. Last I seen, and it's supposed to rain a good bit. So we've got everything kind of situated over there on a job that we're working on, and we'll just see what the rain does, and we'll kind of go from there. I know that probably surprised some of y'all seeing out of their equipment, but all that other stuff is ours, because I've had a lot of new people. I hadn't showed any of that equipment in a good little while, and when I say they, it's Kevin, Derek, and Dad have been working on all that over there, doing what I do with the YouTube and all the other stuff that I do now. I really don't have the time to go over there and help them work on that. And I'll get into that a little bit more later, but they're kind of cutting some of that. That was a spot that was just, it needed to be clear cut pretty bad. It'll be planted back this fall and be ready to start growing again. So appreciate all y'all watching. Sure do. So hopefully we won't get washed away this week, and we'll see what happens after this rain. So just check out everything down below. We'll catch y'all later. Later, taters.